I made these for me and my world circuit, doing the hair on A-listers for high-end beauty campaigns. I have a shampoo, a conditioner and a finishing serum. I will say that this was never meant to be a brand as such. One needs a lot of courage to even anticipate that. These formulas actually became a brand all by themselves. The people that were experiencing them started to give me orders and wanted. I couldn't do this, I couldn't deliver because I wasn't manufacturing. I used to go in once a year to my chemist's lab, who worked alongside me. I mean, I went through 3 chemists before I really found the one that understood where I was going with this, because I needed to have instant shutdown on the hair scale. So that's like instant repair for hair, and it had to work on all hair types. And I knew to my bones the feeling and the result that I needed. And I'm quite a perfectionist. I kept going. It took me over 3.5, 4 years to actually find the perfect results. So yes, I did put my life savings into this, but it was meant to be kept for me. Anyhow, those celebrities that were experiencing it were giving me year orders in the end to entice me to find a manufacturer. At that point, because I used to actually have these drums of shampoo, conditioner and finishing serum that I used to fill up from in this room, in fact, which is my orangery. And I used to travel with these tiny little plastic vessels. I used to put it in and then off I'd go. Sometimes they were plastic, sometimes they were glass vessels, whatever. Plastic at the time was a better option because it didn't break. Anyhow, so that's how this box got born. So those customers that were giving me year orders or 6-month orders, I made up these pretty vessels. I worked on my logo, which is the Care Cross, and I put them in these beautiful boxes. So they received 12 of these boxes for a year's order and 6 for a 6-month order. And the rest is really history, because good news travels fast within the beauty and the fashion business. And we started to get requests from very great hairdressing salons and landmark stores. So that's it.